When your inkjet starts giving you streaks on your envelopes, how do you clean the printer? How do you make this problem go away? In the video, we'll go through the techniques on how to fix this problem. And you won't see these techniques in a manual. The reason you're getting these marks is because the rollers are dirty. So we need to scrub these rollers with rubbing alcohol. But even scrubbing them with a cotton swab isn't going to get all the way around the roller. That's why I soak a paper sheet in rubbing alcohol. This wet sheet will get all those rollers. With the rollers clean, your problems go away. Scrubbing the rollers really does help, but only scrubbing the rollers does not complete the job. You can see how filthy these rollers are. Now when everything's all clean, you can go ahead and try an envelope. An envelope is thicker, so it's going to show up on an envelope first. Yep, look at that edge, really clean. As you can see, a lot cleaner than where we started. I've used these techniques for years and they do work. So next time you're making a birthday card for someone and you've got streaks everywhere, now you know how to fix it. Well, thanks for watching.